Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add fillable text field to a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF form. Now select Tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this Prepare Form option. Select. Now select Start. This field automatically detected as a text field. Now select Preview option. Here you can type text, number, also you can type a symbol. Now select Edit option. I will add a new text field. Here you will find this text box icon. So we select. Now select and drag your mouse to a text field. Yeah. Now select right button for properties and select general option. Here you can change text field name. Also you can add tooltip. And this from field you can hidden or visible. Also you can make it read only required and select appearance option. Here you can change border color, also you can add border line thickness, also you can change fill color and font size and choose auto. Also you can change font style times bold. Here you can change text color and option. This text box text align. You can center align, right align, align center. Also you can add multi-line here, limit of text. Now simply select close and preview, type here text. Also you can type here number and symbol. In this way you can add multiple fillable PDF field as you like. Also I'll make this field as a date field. Select properties and go format option and select here date format. This format and option align this center. Now select close and preview. Here you can type your date. Yeah. Also you can type date here, drop down list. Yeah, this is. Now simply select close and select file option. Save or save as your PDF file. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.